How would you like to see the 3+ best affiliate marketing 30-day challenges? Hi, my name is Michael from Viral Home-Based Pursuits, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly which affiliate marketing challenges you need to be giving a look at if you really want to go the distance, if you really want to get more sales in the long run, and from there on out, increase your profit so that way you're getting it consistently, and most importantly, it's coming passively to you. Before I get started, if this is the first time you're watching me, I do come out with videos like this on affiliate marketing, digital marketing, coaching, and consulting. I do all of that. I've worked in other business models in the past, but truly the one that I've loved the most, you guessed it, it's affiliate marketing. And if you're just getting started on this journey and you're looking for a challenge, you've tried courses in the past, they just haven't worked, or you just keep seeing other people promoting things, you're just not sure where to go, a challenge is a brilliant way to do it. And you're going to want to stick with me until the very end of this, because I'm going to have a bonus one for you. And I'm going to actually show you step by step what you need to be doing for your needs. Okay. Because a lot of people will try to push on things to you, but they're really not a necessity to you. It's more, they try to convince you more with the emotional side of things, but it's also that and understanding that this is going to work for you and it's what you want. So before I get started, make sure you subscribe. Click on the subscribe button down below if you haven't yet, so you don't miss anything that I come out with in the future. And you can also go in the past and see what I have out there. Okay, I'm going to be getting into the share screen now, and I'll be showing you these 3+ challenges that I've selected for you and that I've actually personally tried out myself. Okay, so I've actually done them. Now, let me get started. I have a post on this. I'll get to that in a little bit, but I kind of will scroll through this, and I'll leave this down below so you can read the blog post version and you can get started from there if you would wish. I'll also leave links to these other ones so you can get through them immediately. So the first one here, let me get started with this one. We have the One Funnel Away Challenge. Okay, and that's this baby right here. Now, if you're new to this space, or if you've even been in affiliate marketing or in the marketing space for a while now and you haven't heard of this, you're missing out. Huge, right? I can't even emphasize how big this is. It's kind of like, being with your first girlfriend or boyfriend, being on your first date, that's your first win. That's the admission, so that way you can get on the rest of the roller coasters, right? And, a different kind of per se there. And so now what this is, it's going to help you launch your first or next funnel. If you're not sure what a funnel is, let me briefly explain that to you. So a funnel is kind of like a website. It's a bunch of pages put together that takes one person from one page to the next. So if somebody, jumps on one page, then they're able to go to the next one and then the one after that one. So it's a bunch of these things put together in a logical sequence, and it guides your audience and your future customers through this whole awareness, consideration, and then you're nurturing them, and then you're finally getting the sale at the bottom of it. You're just taking them through this funnel. It's kind of like, funnel code, right, in that format. So they're going to help you launch this, and the person who's going to help you is the owner of ClickFunnels, who is Russell Brunson. And ClickFunnels, if you don't know, it's a very popular sales funnel software. Sales funnels meaning you take people through this process again through a funnel where they purchase one thing, you can upsell them and then downsell them on more items. It's pretty cool. And I have more videos on them. I'll leave them down below. You can actually check out the blog post versions of all this. I'll leave it there too. But this challenge is here. It happens every now and then. So there's the registration dates, times it tells you. And this challenge, as you can see, is join the challenge now for a one-time discounted payment of only $100. But stick with me, $100. And then it's a very legitimate 30-day challenge to get you to understand how to use funnels in your business, because funnels are the biggest thing now. If you don't use funnels to take people through your sales process, you want to have a sales process. A website does not do that. Having a contact page, even for people who have a store, and they have all these products on there, that's still not enough. There's more you can do to increase your conversions, which you'll learn in time. So what does a one funnel away mean to you? For everyone, it's different. For some of you, you're in a job that you hate and you're trying to get out of. For the others, you are entrepreneurs with your own company, but you're stuck and you're not sure why. And for others of you, you're looking for that one funnel that will help you to have more impact on the world. Before I share with you my goal for this funnel, one funnel away challenge, let me ask you a few questions. Do you want to grow your business online but have no idea where to start? And so you can kind of read through these. I won't go through them all. And here's how it works. For $100 you join, it covers the materials that will be shipped out to you for you to use during this challenge. More info, there will be a kit down below. All you pay is $100, and you can be easily charged $1,000, $2,000 or more. And it's true. For everything that you get, it should be really worth that much. And if you wait around, it probably will not be at $100. By the time you're watching this video, that price could have gone up to $2,000 plus. So I would get in and out. It's a bargain to get in for. Don't waste any time, and don't waste time making mistakes, because your time is everything. My time is everything to me nowadays, and I value it more than anything. Here's everything you get in here. 30 days of video missions from Russell Brunson, 30 days of coaching from Stephen Larson and Julie Stoyan, who are experts at this, so they'll help you. One funnel away challenge, customized kits, bonuses, MP3 players, hardcover stuff, and things like that. So they're going to be walked by the hand, literally shown how to build a funnel, everything from what an offer is, how to create an irresistible offer, how to monetize on that, how to create a message, hooks, story sell, facts tell, how to do all this and put it in a funnel, and it's going to be amazing, okay? So that's here, and a lot of people are saying great things. I'll leave a link to this down below. I'll even leave a link to my videos and blog posts so you can see more about that. And then the next one, number 2, Jaiden Gross, 30-day affiliate marketing training. This one's a unique one. These two gentlemen, one of them being in the SSS MMA, kind of coached by Ty Lopez, social media marketing agency. And then there's another one with Amazon, shows you how to use Amazon, right? And so they're going to show you in this 30-day challenge how to do affiliate marketing with their combined knowledge and expertise. They're going to walk you by the hand and show you how to promote other people's products without ever even owning your own, okay? And Jaiden Gross, instructor, well recognized nationally as a digital marketing expert. Jaiden is also an CEO, excuse me. SEO, that's what I do, which is social search engine optimization, which is ranking blog posts on the first page of Google, which I've done so really well. And if you want to know more about that, stick with me. I'll talk to you about it. So they help you with affiliate brand development, affiliate brand education, affiliate brand partnerships, affiliate brand sustainability, and creating a landing page. And it's all in there. You can check it out for more. It's great stuff. So now, on to the third one that I have. This is my own. Okay, I'm not here to boast. I'm a humble person. If you really get to know me, the people who, if you already follow me, would know that. But this is something that I created, and it's for people who want to launch their first or next blog, and it wants to become highly profitable. Okay, this is no joke. This is what I created, and I'm going to take you through this challenge. It says free now, but who knows if it's going to be free by the time you watch this. And even if you have to pay a little or more, it's going to be all well worth it. Everything you're going to be getting, all the bonuses, all the incentives you're getting, all the training that you will not get anywhere else. I guarantee you that. Other people will not teach you that in courses. You will get in here. You can sign up, and there's just more information here. You can kind of go through this. All the bonuses that I offer, you get all of this that comes with it. The value, you can be easily being charged $2,000 plus on all this, and everything is in here. This is going to help you launch your first or next blog and have it highly successful. If you want to know more about this one too, I have videos. I'll leave a link to down below. You can see the blog version of this and get signed up. Get in there. I help out a lot of people on a daily basis with this, in the groups, outside of the groups, emails. I'm always taking time to help. I built mine in the first one I built was in the health and wellness space with a back pain site, and I still run that one till this day. And I really went out of my comfort zone to learn that. It wasn't completely a passion of mine. It was somewhat of an interest. I already had some experience with it, some, not too much. And then I got into it, and it really exploded from there, and it became more of a passion. So I'm going to show you not only in the health and wellness space, but in any niche, physical information products, whatever that is, outdoor, technology, teaching, whatever that is, you're going to learn all of it in here, and it's going to help you really maximize your time and your efforts to really build a highly profitable blog. And in time, you're going to look at it and say, whoa, I am very proud of this. I'm proud that I built this business, and this is going to be you who did it for themselves, not me. I helped you, but you are the one who finally did it. So that's all in there. And then for a bonus one, let me go up here. All right, my nose is itching today. Not sure why. So affiliate bootcamp is another one. Let me look that up for you right here. So this is another one built by ClickFunnels owner Russell Brunson, same as the one funnel away challenge. And it's really not a 30-day challenge. They give you 100 days to become like a super affiliate, but in 30 days you can do so much. 100 days to turn this hobby into your first full-time career, but you're going to be getting videos right daily, and you're going to be shown what to do, all the strategies. Quite in fact, you have about 15 plus super affiliates who will show you the way. You can really copy or model their strategies, and pick one you like, pick one or two, and then run with that, and then work on that for a long time. Stay on that path, and you will get to where you want to get to. This is actually free to register. It's one that I highly recommend you do get into and check out. As well, you can check out the others, but they do give you the videos on this from super affiliates such as like Spencer Meekum of ClickFunnels, Greg Jeffries, who got into SEO, so many different people in there you're going to learn from. And you're really going to get an unfair advantage as opposed to other people who try to go away from this and don't care enough about it. You're going to be able to see that what you can do to build this. No hype, no BS, no smoke and mirrors. And you can see all the people who have had success and how they share their success with others. And that's it. You get videos leaked out to you every single day for these people, and you're going to be able to see their strategies and go behind the scenes and see so much more on this, okay? So I'll leave a link to this one down below too, so you can check it out, okay? That's everything that I have in this video for you. I've shown you the three plus with the bonus of this one here with the affiliate bootcamp. Now let me stop sharing here. So I've shown you those three core ones with the one funnel away challenge. You have the Jason affiliate challenge, and you also have the one blog post away challenge that I created. You have the affiliate bootcamp to go off of, and I know there's so many more out there, but these are some big ones. These are some ones to pay attention to. These are the ones that will really help you grow in whatever platform that is, whatever industry you go into in the affiliate marketing space. And as this grows more, I will leave more. If I find more challenges that are worth adding to, I will go ahead and leave a list for them so you can check them out. But get in those, check them out, look down below, get started with one of them, at least one of them to start with. I'll leave them down below again. Look at them. And also let me know, leave me a comment. Have you gotten started in affiliate marketing and it hasn't worked? There's something you're trying to do differently. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, I'm always here to help. Drop me a comment down below. Thank you. Bye.